Food is my thing. I absolutely love it. I honestly can't express to you how much I love to make food. I love to make it from scratch. This is where flour comes from, guys. This is my countertop flour mill. And you take these wheat berries, you throw it in there, and you grind them, and it makes this flour, and then you have to sift out the hull. And this is what I actually love to do. I know that not many people cook this way anymore, and that's okay. You know, everybody's looking for the quick and the easy way out, but this is what I love to do. This is the hull here, which is actually wheat germ. No, not wheat germ. Wheat bran. Sorry, that was a mistake there. But wheat bran, and that's what cream of wheat is made out of. You know, you can use it to line the pans here so that your bread loaves don't stick at the end. And there's many different uses for it. And I love that I know that, you know what I mean? Like, I know where my food comes from. And it's my passion. It really is. I can't express to you how much I love this stuff. I know that I do a lot of other things in these videos here. I'm doing yard work, and I'm splitting wood and whatever, and I'm learning how to do drywall. But then none of that shit honestly interests me. I do it because I have to. I do it because I need to. I do it because I can't afford to pay somebody else to do it for me. So I try to do everything I can by myself because I honestly don't have a choice. But if it came down to it, and somebody was to ask me what I was going to do with the rest of my life, I would simply just say cook. I just want to cook from scratch. I want to make everything. I love everything about food. I love the fact that every small little thing I do to it is going to make it come out differently. And I love to explore those routes and options and fail and succeed and know why I failed or I succeeded. You know what I mean? Like, food it amazes me. I love to know that I can make something with little ingredients, you know, with little money. This will never make me money. I know that. Trust me, I've come to that realization. Food is not making me any money, but but it makes me happy. And, you know, that's worth more than money in some cases. And it also keeps me healthy. Making food like this is definitely going to keep me healthy. I guarantee you, I'm going to eat all 4 of these loaves of bread by myself. Am I going to gain weight? Probably not. Probably not. Because I made it, my friends. You gotta make your own food. Know where it comes from. Source good ingredients. You get out what you put in. It is that simple, guys. You know, like, the supermarkets, the big conglomerates, they're all going to try to give you the cheapest shit possible for the biggest reward possible. You know, a loaf of bread doesn't cost $1. It's that simple, guys. You get out what you put in.